How to add a link on your Instagram bio. Firstly, go to App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Now look for any kind of updates that may be available for the Instagram app. If there are updates available, click on the update option. If not, open the app on your device. From the bottom, go to your profile section. Here, as you can see in the bio, I have added a link. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna copy a random link from my browser. After copying the link, I'm gonna go back to my Instagram account. In my Instagram profile section, I'm gonna click on Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile section, you can edit your profile picture, description, name, and many more. Here you will also see a section called Links. Click on that. Inside links, as you can see, I've already added one link. To add more, you can click on Add External Link. Now paste the URL or link right here and give it a title so it's easier to read. Click on the tick icon at the top right corner, and just like that, it has been added to your profile. You can click on the link to see if it works or not. If you want to remove it, simply go to Edit Profile and to Links. Go to the link that you added and select Remove Link. That's all for today. Thank you.